Welcome to the EdbMails Google Workspace to PST Export, a step-by-step guide. Need to export Google Workspace mailboxes to Outlook PST? EdbMails provides a simple and secure way to export your mailbox data for backup, archiving, compliance, or offline access. With EdbMails, you can export emails, labels, contacts, calendars, tasks, and attachments to PST files while preserving the original folder hierarchy. Features like incremental export, advanced filtering, concurrent mailbox processing, and the option to split large PST files into smaller sizes help you manage the export process efficiently. Administrators can export multiple user mailboxes using a Google Workspace Global Admin account without requiring individual user credentials. Whether you need to archive mailbox data, create a local backup, or access Google Workspace emails through Outlook, EdbMails ensures a reliable and accurate export process. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of exporting Google Workspace mailboxes to PST using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Expand and select Google Workspace Migration. Select Google Workspace to PST Export. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Enter the admin email address, then click the Browse button. Select the JSON file you downloaded from the Google Cloud Console. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes to export from the Google Workspace server. Click Next to continue. To export Google Workspace to PST, Microsoft Outlook must be installed on your system with a profile. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the export operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free Google Workspace to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.